Oh, is this an exciting unboxing? So, Marquez, who I'm sure all of you know, and if you do not, I will put a link in the description. He is an incredible tech content creator. I am so hyped because he just came out with his own line of shoes, and we have them here. You may have seen a bunch of other creators unbox them, but I'm so excited to check these out, so let's get into it. The first thing is like this bag. I don't even know, like, what type of, is this like is a shoe carrying bag a thing? Like, whatever this is, I'm obsessed, and I'm probably gonna put a bunch of camera gear in it, to be honest with you. So he's calling these 251 because his first YouTube video was 2 minutes and 51 seconds, and that was the beginning of his channel. So the company that he partnered with is called Adams. I've never personally tried their shoes before, so I'm pretty excited to check these out. Oh gosh, it has like a little strap too. Like this is, okay, we'll get to the shoes in a second, but look at this. So nice. Oh, we've got some documentation. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check it out and get more info. Let's check out the shoes. Gosh, I love this bag. Oh shoot, look at these. They're so light. Wow. Wow, look at these. These feel awesome. I love like light shoes, and these feel so light. I can't wait to get my little foot in here. So there's all sorts of little details. We've got the 251 here, NYC tag, the little tag here on the tongue, which has the Adams Marquez signature. I love these laces. They're like elastic. Okay, let's put our foot in here. My foot, it's not your foot, it's mine. These laces are so great. This is, oh, wow, they're so soft. Why has no one told me about Adams shoes before? Look at these, oh my goodness. Is there like a cool way to like tie them? Like I'm so shook. Okay, I'm gonna fall over. Give you a little look. Like look at the back of them. So many nice details. Marquez, these are sick, freaking sick. This is not an embellishment. I am absolutely shook at how comfortable these shoes are, especially like higher top shoes. I usually can't ever wear these because this part's always like super uncomfortable. I love them. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to wear them outside. I don't want to get them dirty. These are so sick. I'm just so glad they fit because a lot of times with shoes, it's really hard to determine. Marquez did say in his video that these do run a little bit big. I'm actually normally a 7.5 in pretty much all of my shoes, and these seem to fit pretty much perfectly. In Nikes, I do wear a size 8. Most of my Hoka shoes are 7.5, so these fit me. I do have a little room in the Tootsie. They feel actually like a perfect freaking fit. So I probably didn't need to untie that really nice tie that they did because I feel like I can just slip these on and off because those laces are like elastic. How do the cool people tie their shoes? Like the shoe people. Again, I will put a link in the description, and a huge thank you, Marquez, for sending me these. I absolutely love them, and they're so, I just can't get over how light they are. Like they are so cool. He did say that he spent the last 2 years working on these, getting prototype after prototype and being able to perfect them, and I think that you did just that because these are freaking sick and I love them. Even inside here, like there's just little details everywhere. There's probably some other secrets in here that we don't even know about, and they'll probably be revealed in a later Marquez video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check these out, and with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna go take these out for a little walk.